There's people who struggle day to day, month to month, stretching every dollar in their wallets to get by. I think that's not fair. And that's why fast food workers, we went on strike 2 weeks ago.
As mayor, what would you do to keep out low-road retailers like Walmart, Whole Foods, Winco?
There are several things the mayor of Seattle can do to support quality, affordable, and accessible child care.
I'm getting cut under the 28 hours is their way of avoiding providing us health care.
My question is, what would you do as a candidate to make this change?
Raise worker wages targeted at the fast food industry, number one.
The state has the highest minimum wage in the country, but it's not good enough.
That people in Seattle would far rather have, locally owned and good benefits and good wages for the workers there.
But as a mayor and using the bully pulpit, you can shine a light on best companies.
We are for local businesses. We are for small businesses.
And what we've done is push so many costs out onto the community, which is low-road economic development. And what we have to do is we have to kind of raise the floor.
And I'd like to see us make sure that no one that is working or can work has food insecurity.
You are our future.
And I think we just say no to Walmart.
And employers are going to have to pay if they're not going to supply for your health care.
Do you support a $15 an hour minimum wage in the city of Seattle?
I think we should look at this issue. I think we should try and do it. I think it has to be phased in over a period of time.
I think we should be looking at that at the federal and state level, but if we can't get it there, we should look at doing it here, just like we did with paid sick leave.
It has not kept up with the cost of inflation. It's not high enough.
And yes, $15 an hour pushes us to a livable wage level.
I want you to talk a little bit about these poverty wage budgets that you put together.
You cannot survive on this budget over the long term.
This kind of budget, which is absolutely unworkable, it is a below poverty line budget.
I'm not going to pay all the bills every month, not on $1,200 a month. It's going to be a Russian roulette.
This means that there's a cycle of poverty and not empowerment in this city that we have now.